What's the secret to building a billion-dollar empire? It's not luck and it's not magic. Brad Jacobs, the mastermind behind multiple billion-dollar companies, shares his exact formula in how to make a few $1 billion. In this book, Jacobs reveals how you can transform your thinking, capitalize on emerging trends, build a winning team, and foster the communication culture that drives business success. If you're ready to learn how to think like a billionaire, adapt to fast-changing industries, and lead your team to success, stick around. You're about to discover the exact steps to turn your business dreams into reality. Welcome to the book summary of How to Make a Few $1 billion, The Billionaire Blueprint Revealed by Brad Jacobs. This summary is written and narrated by JANKY Mind. Chapter 1: How to Rewire Your Brain for Success. The problem: you want to be successful, but your mindset is holding you back. The solution: success isn't about luck, it's about how you think. To unlock your potential, you need to rewire your brain to tackle challenges and achieve big goals. Here's how. Embrace love and positivity. Love might seem out of place in business, but it's a powerful decision-making tool. Next time you're in a tense situation, take a moment to approach it with love and gratitude. A small act of kindness, like recognizing someone's hard work, can shift the energy of your whole team. Control negativity. Doubts and negative thoughts happen, but they don't have to control you. When negativity creeps in, question it. What's the worst that can happen, and how would I handle it? Shifting your mindset this way allows you to see opportunities rather than obstacles. Practice radical acceptance. Stop resisting challenges and start accepting them. When you face difficulties head-on, you open the door to solving them. Success comes from embracing problems, not running from them. Embrace imperfection. Perfection is an illusion. Mistakes are part of the process, and every failure is an opportunity to grow. Learn from it, move forward, and get better. Set ambitious goals. Don't limit yourself. Set big, bold goals and break them down into actionable steps. Each small win gets you closer to the ultimate prize. By rewiring your brain for success, you'll create a mindset that turns challenges into stepping stones for greatness. Chapter 2: How to Leverage Major Trends for Business Growth. The problem: you're trying to stay competitive, but you feel like you're always a step behind the latest trends. The solution: understanding and leveraging trends, especially in technology, is key to staying ahead. Here's how to do it. Stay informed. Knowledge is power. Set aside time every week to read up on your industry, follow thought leaders, and keep up with tech trends. The more you know, the better equipped you are to spot opportunities. Conduct thorough research. Don't just guess where the industry is going, research it. Look at market trends, customer behavior, and emerging technologies. Understanding these trends will help you make smarter business decisions and stay ahead of competitors. Stay open-minded. Technology moves fast, and it can feel overwhelming. Be open to trying new things, even if they're outside your comfort zone. Test new ideas and don't be afraid to fail. This is how innovation happens. Adapt and innovate. The ability to pivot is critical. Stay flexible and keep refining your strategy as the market evolves. Encourage a culture of innovation within your team where everyone feels empowered to contribute fresh ideas. By staying informed, open-minded, and adaptable, you'll position your business to thrive in an ever-changing world. Chapter 3: How to Build the Right Team. The problem: your team isn't performing at the level you need to reach your goals. The solution: success is about more than your own talents, it's about the team you build. You need smart, driven, and honest people who can work well together. Here's how to assemble a dream team. Hire for intelligence. Look beyond degrees and academic achievements. True intelligence is the ability to solve problems in real time. Your industry moves fast. Make sure your team can keep up. Find hungry people. You want people who are motivated to succeed. Look for individuals who thrive in high-pressure environments and are driven by results, not just paychecks. Prioritize integrity. This is non-negotiable. Dishonest employees are a risk to your company's reputation and success. Hire people who do the right thing, even when no one's watching. Value collegiality. The smartest person in the room isn't always the best hire. You need team players who foster a positive, collaborative environment. People who bring good energy are just as valuable as technical skills. Remember, building the right team is one of the most important steps you can take toward success. Make sure your hires are a perfect fit for your company's goals and culture. Chapter 4: How to Foster Open Communication for Success. The problem: your team isn't communicating effectively and it's slowing down progress. The solution: open communication is the foundation of a strong team. When everyone feels heard, collaboration thrives. Here's how to create that culture. Set clear channels. Make sure your team knows how and where to communicate. Regular meetings, feedback sessions, and email updates are essential for keeping everyone aligned. Engage personally, understand your team's strengths and goals. Tailor your communication to each person and always recognize their achievements. This fosters a sense of motivation and loyalty. Encourage customer feedback. Your customers are a goldmine of insights. Actively seek their feedback and use it to improve your services or products. It's not just about listening to your team, it's about listening to the people who use your products. Extend communication to the board. Don't forget your leadership. Keep your board informed about challenges, successes, and key updates. Open dialogue between leadership and the board fosters alignment at all levels. By prioritizing open communication, you create an environment where everyone works toward a common goal and success becomes inevitable. Final takeaway. Brad Jacobs' How to Make a Few $1 Billion is not just a blueprint for financial success, it's a comprehensive guide to building a thriving business from the ground up. The key lessons here aren't reserved for billionaires. They are principles anyone can apply, whether you're running a startup or leading a Fortune 500 company. The journey starts with you. Rewiring your brain for success, staying ahead of trends, building a winning team, and fostering open communication are all essential building blocks. Success doesn't happen by chance. It's the result of intentional actions, the right mindset, and the ability to adapt. As Jacobs teaches us, the path to success is filled with opportunities for growth. It's about approaching challenges as opportunities, taking bold risks, and surrounding yourself with the right people. So, as you move forward in your own entrepreneurial or professional journey, remember, the blueprint is there. It's up to you to take action. About the author. Brad Jacobs is a renowned business strategist and motivational author, offering powerful insights into entrepreneurship and effective team dynamics. His books serve as a crucial guide for both aspiring billionaires and seasoned business leaders, unraveling the practical challenges of building successful teams and managing thriving businesses. We've reached the end of this audiobook summary. Created by JANKY Mind, your reliable guide to learning and growth. Please like, comment, and share your insights on the book. Thank you for listening.